She's in Canaveral Grove. One. I think there's little ones in there. No, there was one in there earlier.
I'll go see.
Okay.
I'm gonna leave that there.
Sure. Hi, little tort. Up to you. Okay.
Two more.
3, 4.
Sorry, little blues.
Little, like little greeny whites or whatever they are. It's just your glasses.
It felt like something was drawn on.
Hello, girlies. Hello. 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 Y'all want some more food? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I move them.
Oh, dude.
Yeah.
Oh, gosh. That one.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Can check under her.
Yeah, I will.
Okay. 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40,
'Ouch, bastard.
none, 41,
What are you doing? Huh?
bottom,
What did you just call me?
bottom. I said bottom.
You said Adam?
When I said bottom,
No, it sounded like
I
you.
said bottom. 42, 43, 44, 45, 46,
I didn't hear bottom. That's even funnier.
47.
Gotta put some-
I know.
All right, don't be mean.
She's not mean. 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55.
Too tricky.
2 turkey eggs. Thank you, Senorita.